नमस्कार. रयत शिक्षण संस्था सातारा, रयत ऑनलाईन स्कूल एज्युकेशन रोज प्रोजेक्ट 2021-22. Subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy. Welcome. I am Sri Jadhav KU, Junior College Teacher, Now Maharashtra Vidyalaya and Junior College Pimpri Wagire, Pune 17. Topic first, Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Account. Part 2, Partnership Final Account. Treatment of some important items appearing in trial balance only. Trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, meaning definition and pro forma. Effects of various adjustment and effects of related accounts and statement posting. Important points for solving problem. First, treatment of some importance item appearing in trial balance only. Trial balance definition: the list of debit and credit balances of all ledger accounts is called as trial balance. ट्रायल बॅलन्स म्हणजे डेबिट आणि क्रेडिट अशी लेजरची एक एकत्रित यादी ही ट्रायल बॅलन्समध्ये डेबिट साईडला आणि क्रेडिट साईडला या ठिकाणी आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. द फायनल अकाउंट इज प्रिपेअर्ड ॲट द एंड ऑफ एव्हरी फायनान्शियल इयर. ॲज पर इन्कम टॅक्स ॲक्ट 1961, financial year start on 1st April and end on 31st March every year. The treatment of important items appearing in trial balance only. Treatment of some important item appearing in trial balance only. Adjustment and effects only. Any outstanding expenses, liability side of balance sheet. Any prepaid expenses, effects, asset side of balance sheet. Any outstanding income, effect, asset side of balance sheet. Adjustment, income received in advance, effect, liability side of balance sheet. Adjustment, depreciation, effect, debit side of profit and loss account. Next adjustment, loss on sale of any asset, effect, debit side of profit and loss account. Adjustment, goods withdrawn by partner, effect, debit side of capital oblique current account. Adjustment, general reserve oblique reserve fund, effect, liability side of balance sheet. Adjustment, deposit from public, effect, liability side of balance sheet. Adjustment, goods distributed as pre-sample, effect, debit side of profit and loss account. Adjustment, suspense account. First, if it is on debit side, effect, on asset side, show the same figure. Suspense account adjustment, if it is on credit side, effect, balance sheet, liability side, the same figure. Trading account meaning, definition and pro forma. Meaning, trading account is a nominal account. A nominal account, rules of nominal account: debit expenses and losses, credit income and gains. Trading account is opened in the trading organization for the purpose to find out gross profit or loss incurred during the year. Trading account business मध्ये, व्यवसायामध्ये कोणत्या हेतूने या ठिकाणी तयार केलं जातं तर त्या ठिकाणी ढोबळ नफा व ढोबळ तोटा, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट और ग्रॉस लॉस हे पाहण्यासाठी ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट आपल्याला पाहावे लागते. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट इन द डेबिट साइड ऑफ दिस अकाउंट ऑल डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस अँड क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ दिस अकाउंट ऑल डायरेक्ट इन्कम. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला सर्वच्या सर्व डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस असतात आणि क्रेडिट साईडच्या ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला सगळे डायरेक्ट इन्कम आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळतात. द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट और लॉस ट्रान्सफर टू प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट. जो काही व्यवसायामध्ये, बिझनेसमध्ये जो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट झालेला आहे तो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला ट्रान्सफर केला जातो, तर ग्रॉस लॉस प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला ट्रान्सफर केला जातो. Trading account definition. The trading account indicates the result buying and selling of goods. While preparing this account, the general establishment charge are ignored and only the transaction related to goods are included. जे आर बाटलीबॉय. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट हे आपल्याला असं मेन्शन करते की खरेदीदार व विक्रेता या सर्वच्या सर्व ट्रान्झॅक्शन या ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटमध्ये आपल्याला पाहायला मिळणार आहेत. प्रोफॉर्मा ऑफ ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट साइड पर्टिक्युलर अमाउंट रुपीज डेबिट पर्टिक्युलर डेबिट अमाउंट रुपीज. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड credit particular credit amount rupees. Trading account debit side to opening stock to purchase less return outward to carriage inward to freight to dock charges to custom duty to wages productivity manager wages to wages and salary to import duty to coal coke gas motive power oil water grace to royalty on purchase oblique production to primary packing charges to factory lighting and heating to factory rent and rates to factory insurance to works manager salary to gross profit carried down. Total trading account credit side by sales less return inward by goods lost by fire theft by goods distributed as free sample by goods lost in accident by goods withdrawn by partner by closing stock by gross loss carried down. मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे ट्रेडिंग अकाउंटचा जो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट आहे तो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला तर ग्रॉस लॉस प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला आपण ट्रान्सफर करणार आहोत. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट meaning definition and pro forma. Meaning profit and loss account is the type of nominal account. Profit and loss account is a main account of income statement. बिझनेसमध्ये व्यवसायामध्ये जो काही इन्कम पाहायचा असेल तर आपल्याला प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट हे मेन अकाउंट आपल्याला पाहावं लागतं. इट इज प्रिपेअर्ड टू ॲसर्टिन द नेट प्रॉफिट अर्न ऑर नेट लॉस सफर्ड बाय बिझनेस कन्सर्न ड्युरिंग द अकाउंटिंग इयर. या प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमध्ये नेट प्रॉफिट ऑर नेट लॉस बिझनेसमध्ये व्यवसाय मालकाला किती झाला आहे हे आपल्याला पाहावं लागणार आहे. ऑल indirect expenses are to be recorded to the debit side whereas all indirect income are to be recorded to the credit side of this account. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला सर्व इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस असतात तर प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला इनडायरेक्ट इन्कम आपल्याला पाहायला मिळणार आहेत. The credit balances on this account show net profit which is to be transferred to capital account credit side or added in capital. जो काय प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमध्ये नेट प्रॉफिट जो मिळालेला आहे तो बॅलन्स शीटच्या लायबिलिटी साईडला कॅपिटल अकाउंटमध्ये तो नेट प्रॉफिट आपण ॲड करणार आहे. द डेबिट बॅलन्सेस ऑफ दिस अकाउंट शो नेट लॉस which is to be transferred to capital account debit side of deducted from capital. आता पहा प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमध्ये नेट लॉस जर झाला तो बॅलन्स शीटच्या लायबिलिटी साईडला कॅपिटलमधून तो डिडक्ट म्हणजे वजा केला जाणार आहे. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट डेफिनेशन. A profit and loss account is an account into which all gains and losses are considered in order to ascertain the excess of gain over the losses or vice versa. DRCR RN Carter. प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमध्ये किती नफा झालेला आहे किती लॉस झालेला आहे हा कन्सिडर करून तो नफा खर्चापेक्षा जास्त नफा खर्च आणि फायदा यांची तुलना करूनच आपण त्या ठिकाणी नेट प्रॉफिट और नेट लॉस पाहत असतो. Pro forma of profit and loss account for the year ended. Profit and loss account debit side, particular debit amount rupees. Profit and loss account credit side, particular credit amount rupees. To salary, debit side, to salary and wages, to rent and rates, to insurance, to electricity and or lighting, to telephone, postage, to printing and stationery, to traveling expenses, to salesman, to depreciation on asset, to loading charges, to audit fees. Profit and loss account credit side, by gross profit brought down, by commission received, by discount received oblique earned, by dividend received, by rent received, by sundry oblique miscellaneous receipt, by interest received, by profit on sale of asset. Next page. Profit loss account debit side, to conveyance, to loss by fire, to entertainment expenses, to repairs oblique renewals oblique maintenance, to interest on loan, to loss by theft, to loss in accident, to goods distributed as free sample, to commission allowed oblique gain, to discount allowed, to allowances, to advertisement, to carriage outward, to sale charges, to bad debts, to export duty. Profit and loss account credit side, by net loss transferred to partners capital account oblique current account. Profit loss account debit side, to taxes, to general expenses, to trade expenses, to legal charges, to professional charges, to bank charges, to secondary packing charges, to loss on sale of fixed asset, to net profit transferred to partners capital account oblique current account. Balance sheet, meaning balance sheet is a statement showing financial position of the firm on particular day. All liability are recorded to its left hand side, whereas all asset are recorded to its right hand side. Balance sheet ची डावी बाजू लेफ्ट हँड साइड लॅबिलिटी दर्शविते, तर बॅलन्स शीट उजवी बाजू राईट हँड ही ॲसेट आपल्याला दर्शविते. बॅलन्स शीट इज नॉट अकाउंट बट अ स्टेटमेंट. बॅलन्स शीट हे अकाउंट नसून हे एक स्टेटमेंट आहे. बॅलन्स शीट डेफिनेशन. The balance sheet is a statement on a particular date showing on one side the trader's property and possession and on the other side the liabilities. Palmer. Pro forma of balance sheet as on 31st March. Liability side, partners capital account, partners current account, credit balances, general reserve oblique reserve fund, provident fund, loan from partners, loan from bank, bank overdraft, sundry creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, income received in advance. Balance sheet asset side, goodwill, trademark, copyright, freehold properties, leasehold properties, premises, land and building, plant and machinery, motor car, furniture and fixture, office equipment, loose tool, investment, provident fund investment, sundry debtors, stock of stationery, stock of postal stamp, bills receivable, cash in hand, cash at bank, prepared expenses, closing stock, partners current account, debit balance. Adjustment serial number, adjustment, first effect, second effect, first adjustment, closing stock, first effect, balance sheet asset side, second effect, trading account credit side. Next adjustment, outstanding expenses, first effect, add to the particular expenses on the debit side of trading oblique profit and loss account, second effect, balance sheet liability side. Third adjustment, prepaid expenses, first effect, deduct from the particular expenses on the debit side of trading oblique profit and loss account, second effect, balance sheet asset side. Fourth, income received in advance, pre-received income, first effect, deduct from the particular income on the credit side of profit and loss account, second effect, balance sheet liability side. Next adjustment, income receivable, first effect, add to the particular income on the credit side of profit and loss account, second effect, balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, interest on capital, first effect, show to the debit side profit and loss account, second effect, partners oblique current account credit side or add to capital oblique current account. Second adjustment, depreciation, first effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account, second effect, less from the particular asset in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, reserve for doubtful debts, new RDD, first effect, show to the debit side, show to the debit of the profit and loss account, second effect, deduct from the sundry debtors in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, bad debts in bracket, additional or new bad debts, first effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account, add to old bad debts, second effect, deduct from the sundry debtors in balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, reserve for discount on debtors, first effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account in bracket, add to discount allowed, second effect, deduct from sundry debtors in balance sheet asset side. Next, reserve for a discount on creditors, first effect, show to the credit side the profit and loss account in bracket, add to discount received, second effect, deduct from the sundry creditors in balance sheet liability side. Next adjustment, interest on drawing, first effect, show to the credit side profit and loss account, second effect, partners current account debit side or less from capital oblique current account. Interest on loan taken, first effect, show to the debit of the profit and loss account, second effect, add to loan taken in the balance sheet liability side. Next, interest on investment and loan given, first effect, show to the credit side of the profit and loss account, second effect, balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, goods stolen, first effect, profit and loss account debit side, second effect, trading account credit side. Next adjustment, goods distributed as free sample, first effect, trading account credit side, second effect, profit and loss account debit side, add in advertisement. Next, goods withdrawn by partners for personal use, first effect, trading account credit side, second effect, partners capital oblique current account debit side. Next, unrecorded purchase, first effect, add to purchase on the debit side of trading account, second effect, add to creditors on the liability side of balance sheet. Next adjustment, unrecorded sales, first effect, add to sales on the credit side of trading account, second effect, add to debtors on the asset side of the balance sheet. Next adjustment, bills receivable dishonor, first effect, add to the amount of bill dishonor to sundry debtors in the balance sheet asset side. Second effect, deduct the amount of a bill dishonor from bill receivable. Next adjustment, bills payable dishonor. First effect, add to the amount of bill dishonor to sundry creditors in the balance sheet asset side. Second effect, deduct the amount of a bill dishonor from bills payable. Last, steps for solving problem. First, prepare the necessary accounts including the working notes. Second, place some mark on trial balance items for external as well as internal adjustment. Go through trial balance items on give only one accounting effect sequentially. Fourth, go through adjustment and give two accounting effects. 5. Close ledgers in the working notes except capital. 6. Find gross profit, net profit and transfer to individual capital account. 7. Find the closing balance in capital and transfer it to balance sheet. 8. Tally the balance sheet. Thank you.